Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7920. So let's get started. We're going to start by creating a brand new virtual machine. So let's go ahead and create our virtual machine. We're going to call this Windows 8 build 7920. There we go. Very nice. And we're going to give it 60 gigabytes of storage like usual. We're gonna give it the normal values. 4 gigabytes of RAM should do fine. We'll give it 2 CPU cores actually, and we're gonna grab our ISO image. So we're gonna go and grab our ISO image, and we need to grab 7920, and we're going to click close, finish, and as you can see here is so now we are going to grab, there we go, we're on VMware, and we're going to start up our virtual machine. Okay, with side channel mitigation enabled, okay, whatever, and okay. But first we need to, oh my gosh, this is a new install of VMware, so we have to be careful with this. Okay, now we can extend, and that's not what I want. We can add a full screen. There we go. Let's also unpin that. Anyways, we are now going to pull up the beta wiki page. There we go. So this build was compiled on, I'm not lost. Anyways, this build was compiled on February 2nd, 2011. And we'll just set this to 2011. So we're going to just, okay, yeah, no, this is really slow. There we go. And now exit any changes. And yeah, there we go. So now we are going to be, I wonder when the boot screen actually changes to the new Windows 8 one. I don't really know, but yeah. Okay, so Windows is loading files. That's really nice. And yeah, so let's continue. We're on the starting Windows screen. Let's see if it'll boot. Okay, so it does boot, because I've had some issues on VirtualBox, because yeah, I tried to record this on a VirtualBox virtual machine, but it didn't really work out. So yeah, which is why you should probably not use VirtualBox. Okay, anyways, we've got our installer, which still says Windows 7, and as you can see, we have the watermark here, really nice. And also we've got this wonderful weird graphical issues. So we're gonna click next, and we're gonna click install now, and it finally says setup is starting. Oh my gosh, it says setup is starting. I am so excited for setup to actually start. Let's go. Setup is starting. Oh, and we need a product key. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'll be back after entering the product key. So yeah, okay, we are back, and I accidentally showed the product key. It's fine, I hope. Please, YouTube, don't take down the video. Anyways, here's our nice partition. We'll just make the partition for it. And here we go. Let's get it installed. And you know what? We're gonna actually do a time lapse. So yeah, I guess we have a time lapse. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna make this that, and then we're gonna do home network, and then we're going to chat the name as that, and we're not gonna put a password, and I'm not gonna do that. Nobody cares what time it is. And let's go. Let's go. We're actually going into 7920. Yep. Yep. Okay, so now we are going to go back to the beta wiki page because, well, we have to, and there's not that much in this build, so that's crazy. Oh, but there are some things that have happened. There are like 2 things that happened, I guess you could say. For one, if you go into Winver, the copyright date has been changed to 2011. It used to say 2010, so they changed that finally. And something else that happened is, well, the task manager that we saw in the last build, the modern task manager is gone. Even with, like, we had the new task manager even without Red Pill installed, but it's just gone. And the reason is because this is my second time recording this, and there really isn't that much to this build at all, except the 2 changes. So it's a really boring build, to be honest. I really do not know what they were thinking, but this is on a different branch, so obviously they didn't really happen. So yeah, you know, Internet Explorer 10 or whatever. There's Internet Explorer 10. I guess we could check that out if you wanted to. I don't really know if you would want to, but let's open it up just to see, you know? Because we gotta explore in this build. We gotta actually explore. So it's still Internet Explorer 9. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, it's Internet Explorer 9, not 10. I don't know why the screenshot showed 10. But yeah. Anyways, there's nothing in the start menu, so that's a bug. I think we saw that bug in the last build as well. But yeah, there's nothing in the start menu, and we have all the normal programs. The games are only the Games Explorer. We don't have anything else. And there's nothing in the startup folder, obviously. Our profile picture is still this. We can change your look. That's what it's called. And look, here's all the backgrounds, I guess. We can change it to this if you want. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, that's strange. Anyways, that's basically it for this video. There's a big graphical glitches. And by the way, this word puzzle, again, I said in the last build, but it says start me up. So, yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So, goodbye.